Japan. Hi, Japan! Arigato gozaimasu! Nanda. Woohoo!
Ayun, sa harapan.
Nakakapos mawala, ano?
Hello, pasok po kayo dito. Pang-wheelchair.
Welcome to Japan! Nandeyo desu ka? Ay, tayo! Yeah, Taco Bell, yes. Yeah, easy to remember. I'm your tour guide today. It's nice to meet everybody. Yeah. So, magandang hapon is good afternoon. Is Tagalog or
Tagalog.
Filipino? Okay. So, in Okinawa, we say hi side. Like hi side. Okay, nice. So are you guys from? Oh, welcome to Okinawa and the Miyako Island. Yeah, I'm very happy. So what about other parts of Japan like Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka?
Kyoto.
How many people have you been to Tokyo? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot. What about Osaka? Osaka, nice. Other parts of Japan, Kyoto. Oh, nice shrines and temples. Do you guys enjoy Fukuoka? Really?
Fukuoka.
No? Oh, that's Himeji. Oh, wow. What about Hokkaido? Ishigaki. Oh, really? Ishigaki, Hokkaido. Nice. Nagasaki. Wow. You guys have been a lot of places. Wow. Which was the best?
Ano? Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Welcome to Japan, Tokyo. Tokyo. Ayan. White.
So like 540 pounds. That's about
Labas ko muna may siya.
Yes, hi. Bye-bye, Miyako Jam. Ano? Miyako Jima. Bye-bye. Back to Taiwan. See you, Taiwan.